Jameson had a walk. No big deal.
Yeah, great job, Daddy.
He's messing up. Come on.
It's like this thing keeps moving.
Do it, Jameson.
Come on.
There you go. Now he wants to.
He's kind of like in a weird position.
You can do it. Oh man.
See that side leg? There you go.
What are you doing, baby? Show Mama how you got up there. How you were standing.
I'm walking.
Show Mama's. You give up now? He wants that book. He's a book trasher. That's what he is.
Hey, don't tell me the book.
No. I want him to go walking.
It's gonna be one long video, Jameson, if you don't get up there.
Yep, and then I can read my book.
Mm-hmm.
Get it. Get up there.
You gotta clap when he does it. Good job, buddy!
Good job,
Clap,
Bubba.
Daddy. Oh, you can't.
I can't.
Good job!
Good job, Bubba.
Oh, no, it's okay.
You got it. Can you move it now?
Good job, buddy. Good job.